kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Welcome to today's table styling. So the title for this video is So Very Thankful Table Styling with a Buffalo Plaid Pattern. I would like for you all to sit back, relax, don't forget to grab your drink and grab your snack and enjoy this video as I create this beautiful table styling for you. If this is your first time here, I hope that you enjoyed the video and this is something that you are interested in, and you will click on that subscribe button, notification bell, and also if you truly like it, give me a big thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. Now, if you are returning, welcome back. We are here doing a table styling during this fall season, and I hope you guys like it as well. So hope you all enjoy. So I will be using the So Very Thankful placemats, and you could use either side because as you can see we have So Very Thankful on the front and Blessed on the back, but I chose to use the So Very Thankful side of the placemat because I am so very thankful for all the many blessings that have come my way. So also I wanted to use this side too because as you all can see, it matches and correlates with our black and white buffalo plaid table runner. Moving right along, we are using some buffalo plaid black and white charger plates here in our setting. Now, as I am placing the charger plates on these placemats, I'm like, it kind of defeats the purpose of using these placemats because the message on the front, So Very Thankful, is being covered up by the chargers, so you can't see them. So we got to think about a solution to try to make this work. Now, also I am bringing in these porcelain styled green leaf shaped plates, and they're pretty much like for the saucer plate basically. So I am placing that on top of that charger plate, but as I'm doing this, I'm thinking I need to make a change here because I want the message on the placemats to be able to be seen at all times. But if I keep it like I have it as you see now, it will not display the message. So let's go ahead and correct that. Okay, so I think the change is good. We're going to go ahead and add some black dinner plates on top of the black and white plaid, buffalo plaid charger plates that we have here to the side. So I decided to put them to the side. I also decided to bring the leaf up into the right hand corner of the placemats. So the placemats of each item here, I think, is looking pretty good, and it makes sense, and you can see the design and you can see the decor as well too. We're also going to use these beautiful pumpkin napkin rings as well. They're absolutely gorgeous, you guys, and they make sense to use since we have the pumpkins on the placemat. We're also coming in with these polyester black napkins with a kind of ruffled edge, I guess you can call it, and we're just going to fold it in fours, and we're going to be able to use it that way to make it look very, very nice and a perfect match and styling for our table styling in which we are doing today. I am so very thankful for each of you for tuning in today and always supporting At Home with Lisa. I hope you guys enjoyed what you have seen so far, and I hope you enjoyed the completed styling of this table styling. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like what I have created here on today. So this is the reveal of my table styling for my so very thankful buffalo plaid table styling. So as you all can see, I did bring back that centerpiece. I told you guys when I did that DIY of that centerpiece that I was going to create a tablescape with it, and here it is. Also, if you missed the DIY during Fallmas where I created this DIY centerpiece, please go back and check it out, because I did use a Dollar Tree Christmas tree to create this beautiful look. So as you can see, I have pumpkins throughout. We have pumpkins on the napkin ring. We have pumpkins throughout this centerpiece. We have pumpkins on our placemats. We have the black and white buffalo plaid throughout, and it is seen on the placemats, on the table runner. Also too, you see the buffalo plaid in the ribbon within the centerpiece. And then in our glass vases here, we have added some pumpkins as well too. On the side at each end, we have pumpkins as well. I am very satisfied with the way this table styling turned out, and I hope you guys are too. I hope you like it enough whereas you would give it a big thumbs up. And we also add these cute little pumpkin candle stands as well too. They are absolutely gorgeous, and I think they fit perfectly with our ensemble of our table styling. Again, I thank each and every one of you for tuning in on today. I appreciate you for every time you come to show us love. And you guys see, I did it right to pull those plates from off of that placemat. So now the message is clear. We are so very thankful for all the many blessings, for all of you guys for continuously coming to support us. We are so very thankful for you guys. So you all, without further ado, we will be nearing the end of this video. And if this is your first time here, I thank you for clicking on this video. I also hope this type of content is something that you are interested in and that you want to see more of. So hopefully you'll click on that subscribe button so you can see more. And you guys, don't forget to go back and check out this centerpiece DIY that I did during Fallmas. Y'all, it turned out beautifully, and you would not believe the base of this centerpiece and what I used to create this beauty. I enjoyed creating this for you guys. So like I said, if you missed it, you haven't seen it, go back and check it out. It was a DIY during our Fallmas celebration. It was a 3-day celebration. So yeah, you guys, don't forget to leave me some comments as well too. And all of these items that I have here, like the buffalo plaid table runner, it came from Amazon. The ribbons that you see here, the bows, I created them myself, but the ribbon comes from Hobby Lobby. And also too, those little candle stands, the pumpkin candle stands, I got those from the Pop Shelf. The green leafy saucer plates, I can't remember where I got those from. Y'all, I think I thrifted those. I think I got those from a thrift store, I believe. The placemats, they did come from Hobby Lobby as well too. And then the pumpkins, I've had them for a long time. So I did get them from Hobby Lobby and from the home goods store. So I did get them shopped around quite a bit for them. But anyway, you guys, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to put it down in the comment section. And at this time, At Home with Lisa will be signing off. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.
We at home with Lisa.